How much loot does every chicken in Grow get you? Starting off with the regular here. As you can see, the regular chicken only gives money because the regular chicken is useless. Going on to a brown chicken. And bang! It can drop a advanced watering can, and now purple chicken. Okay, so you can't really see it, but the purple chicken drops sprinklers and rare land. How much did the golden chicken give you? Final blow. It drops epic land, bamboo, and broccoli, and a little bit of chance to drop jelly bean star.